Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into Michael Burry's strategic moves as he buys Nvidia Calls and expands shorts on Oracle and Palantir, while consumer stress reveals deepening cracks in the economy. Altria boosts its quarterly dividend by 4.7% to $1.11 per share, and the U.S. is on the brink of a massive deal for Venezuelan oil fields according to Axios reports. ServiceNow surges 10% amid an enterprise software rally, and Amazon signs power deals for 4 Swedish wind farms to fuel its data center expansion. Elon Musk projects SpaceX will hit a staggering $3.5 trillion in revenue by 2033, while Stripe and Advent abandon their pursuit of acquiring PayPal. Lastly, Marvel forecasts an impressive $18 billion fiscal revenue by 2028, driven by over 60% growth in data centers. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these compelling stories. Investor Michael Burry has bought December call options for Nvidia, betting on the chipmaker's future. He holds significant short positions in several companies and sees Nvidia as overvalued, warning of potential earnings reductions. Despite these concerns, Nvidia shares rose 7% after exceeding Wall Street expectations.
Consumer sentiment is near historic lows, significantly impacting lower-income and less educated households. Subprime card issuers are experiencing high credit losses, whereas prime issuers remain more stable. Retail sales and savings have declined, affecting value retailers and restaurants. Analysts are cautious about consumer-facing stocks due to a softening labor market.
Altria has announced a quarterly dividend of $1.11 per share, marking a 4.7% increase from the previous $1.06. This results in a forward yield of 6.56%. The dividend is payable on October 9th to shareholders recorded by September 15th, with the same date as the ex-dividend date.
The Trump administration is in talks with Venezuela to secure a stake in its extensive oil resources, which could potentially double U.S. reserves. The discussions cover more than a dozen fields capable of producing up to 90 million barrels daily. American companies might develop these fields, increasing U.S. participation amid global supply disruptions and low reserves.
ServiceNow shares increased by 10% to $138.43, thanks to a boost in enterprise software stocks. This rise came after strong earnings from Salesforce and CrowdStrike. Salesforce's CEO expressed confidence that AI will complement SaaS revenue instead of harming it.
Amazon.com has signed long-term agreements to buy electricity from 4 wind farms in Sweden, enhancing its data center capacity. Developed by Eolus AB and OX2 AB, these deals add nearly 200 megawatts of power. Once operational, Amazon will have over 1 gigawatt of supply in Sweden.
Elon Musk forecasts that SpaceX might reach $3.5 trillion in yearly revenue by 2033, following Morgan Stanley's optimistic view of the company. The firm is considered attractively valued after a $100 billion Louisiana spaceport proposal. Moreover, SpaceX's wireless projects could advantage T-Mobile and tower companies.
A group led by Advent International and Stripe has withdrawn its offer to buy PayPal Holdings, which was initially over $50 billion. This decision follows growing competition from Apple Pay and Google Pay, affecting PayPal's growth and stock value.
Marvell Technology announced record second quarter fiscal 2027 revenue of $2.739 billion, marking a 37% increase compared to the previous year. The company anticipates fiscal 2027 revenue to reach $12 billion and expects fiscal 2028 to hit $18 billion, fueled by growth in data centers. Chief Financial Officer Daniel Dern highlighted the importance of operating leverage and capital returns. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you with more insights on Monday. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until Monday. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.